Magandang hapon po ng June 16, 2026 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 16, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, June 16, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 16, 2026 Tuesday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, June 16, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for June 16, 2026, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.